That is a great sound. Perhaps one of the top 5 sounds of all time.
Yes.
I love sound effects.
And that's our next game, sound effects. To be played by Jed, Kathy, Kino, and Habi. Alright. So this is a really fun game. The two people in the middle say hi. Hi. We'll be doing a scene as normal, but the people in the side say hi. We'll be doing sound effects for for a lot of the actions in the scene. So let's say if Jed is pushing a very heavy box, Kino will say, so bigat. And if Kathy will blow up a balloon. Oh. Damn, parang real air. With that said, we'll need your help once again with this question. What was the coolest thing you saw in a hotel?
Donald Trump.
No, I don't want Donald Trump anymore. Actually, where is Jed's brother?
Sister.
Ay, wala. Sister! Sibling! Nasaan? Waki. What's the coolest thing you saw in a hotel? Ooh!
Glass elevator.
Glass elevator.
Fancy.
Okay. I like that. This is sound effects with
Glass elevator.
Elevator.
No, Marge! What are you doing throwing stones in our glass elevator?
I'm fixing it. Can't you see?
We're 1,000 meters off the ground. If something goes wrong, we're all doomed.
Well, look at how durable this glass is. See?
But then what are you trying to fix? Is it that the buttons are wrong?
Everything is wrong. Look, I'll press a button. Watch. See?
Let me test something. Just to be sure, let's try the emergency button.
Emergency!
Break! We're stuck here.
Now what?
I have a plan. We need your stones and my brains. And as many stones as you can.
Okay, let me grab the bag. Alright. I trust you with this. I trust you with my life here. Not screw it up. So we're gonna use the method you used, right? You hit stones on the glass. So what if you use a stone and hit them on the buttons? Wait. I have another idea. What if we throw these? Okay.
No. Bye.
Okay. What was it? You got some rules, right? That's a good idea!
Leg hurt now, but when leg gone, leg no.
Wow. Dream vacation. More like dream nightmare. What a death-defying scene, Wak.